Welcome back, YouTube. It's Ronz. Yeah, it's Ronz right now, man. Hold on, let me flip the thing up real quick, man. It's Ronz, okay? It's Ronz. It's 2022, man. Y'all should understand that. And we have a package. We have a package, all right? We have a package for this thingy right here. We have a package for this thing right here. So, without further ado, you probably already seen the thumbnail, and you probably already read the title. So, without further ado, let's just go ahead and open it, man. I think it's like, I don't know, can y'all see this? It's like double wrap. Let me go ahead and pull this out real quick. If this is literally double wrapped. Huh? Yo, but we will be looking at, is this thing worth it in 2022, right? First impressions, because this is my new iPad Pro. And, you know, we're accessorizing it. So you got the Apple Pencil right here. Everything also nice and so clean. My first time opening, hopefully I didn't get scanned. Okay. And did I? I did not. Logitech Combo Touch. Yeah. 2022. Is it worth it in 2022? About to find out. Go ahead and open this thing real quick. Let's move the iPad back just a little bit. Give me some unboxing room. And by first look, it looks clean. It looks very much so clean. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and take it out the little box. Alright. Yeah, looks clean. Here we go. Logitech. Bought it off of eBay for around, I think about 120-ish, 115-ish. Yeah, something around there. And I chose this because if you are an iPad user, you need a wireable working keyboard, because just typing on the screen all the time, it's really not it. Honestly, it's really not it. So why not get a keyboard case? And it's a case too. It helps protect the iPad. By first appearance, it feels really nice. Like, yeah, like I like it. That's a little magnetic connectors and everything. But let's just go ahead and put it on the iPad. You know, enough talking, right? We're already 2 minutes to the video, man. It's enough talking. So just like anything, it just slides right in. It's a nice, kind of like a tough fit for it too. Okay, yeah. So you have the volume controls right here. Volume controls. Can we get a focus on it? Yeah, right there. Y'all can't see it. I don't know, the camera's not focusing. Check right here. Oh my gosh. Anyways, has a little cutout for the magnetic pencil, the Apple Pencil. Okay. Wow. Yeah. And this, I believe, goes onto the front because it makes it the keyboard. And this is the cool thing about this, right, y'all? You can use it without the keyboard. Like, it detaches. But will we be using it from the keyboard? I do not know. Oh, it has like a little thing in the back too? Okay, hold up. Now this might be cool. This really might be cool. So, if you just want to put the keyboard on it, all you gotta do is, yeah, just like that. Did it come out some? Oh, it's not as strong as I thought it would be. I mean, I just didn't put it in the right way. Okay. Oh, I have to install it from the App Store? It's an app for it? Okay. Well, yeah. But before we do that, let's just look at the keyboard right now. It looks like it's backlit as it is also. And yeah, it's like everything come up on the screen. This is nice. This is really nice. Close it. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go to work. And what I just noticed on the back of it, if we, where it's from this side, it has a kickstand. So let me see. I'm trying to figure out how to open it. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Okay, from this way. Oh yeah, this way. Okay, this way. Got the kickstand up. We can type now, and it's pretty firm. Oh, does it keep going? Okay. Yeah, it's pretty firm. Like, it gets the job done, what you're trying to do. This is nice. This is really nice. Let's see. It says install the app, but it's already working. Okay. Quick little unboxing. Highly recommend it. Let's see. Let's install the app, everything like that. But what I'm more interested in, oh yeah, it really feels perfect. This is crazy. Let's see, can we get the install? I gotta type in the password and stuff, man. Forget this, man. We'll do this in a minute. I'll see what app I gotta download. Yo, this is the right thing right here. Like I said, you can get it third party, you can. From Logitech, the actual website, I believe it's going for about 150, 160-ish. could be wrong, but I highly recommend this keyboard. It feels super nice. It's super clean, and look, it has like a little kickstand too. It just folds right there, and that's it. You just take it with you. Just slide in your backpack. See, look, I have a gray accessory too, so it's like the gray and the gray goes together with an actual little pencil thing. This is, you know, a skin from D brand too, so if you don't want it, go check it out. I'll put the link in the bottom. But yeah, you know, I'm just gonna slide this in here, and I'm ready to go to work or school because I'm a college student. So that's the video. I do recommend this product, and I think you should get one if you don't have one already. This is for the iPad. Where did Apple Pencil go? The magnetics, it's so crazy. Like, look, okay, that didn't work out. But yeah, YouTube, that's the video. So I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, you know, go ahead, subscribe, and if you're not subscribed, then subscribe. My bad. But just give me a like, okay? That's all you gotta do. Just give me a like. I just need some likes. I need to see. Okay, like goal. I want 5 likes on this video. Okay, I want 5 likes because this is nice. Yeah, it provides protection. It's super simple. It just literally just connected right to my iPad. I don't have to do nothing. Like it's like plug and play. It's crazy. Yeah. So that's it. Peace out.